Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a hurricane, well, I have two hurricanes coming. So I just wanted to actually film something and have it up. First hurricane's supposed to hit Monday. This video will be up on a Friday, so it would have hit this past Monday. The second one is supposed to hit Wednesday. I'm a little nervous. But I did want to sit down and film because, hey guys, guess what arrived? I have not opened it or anything yet. So, we are going to do a full try on with whatever is in here. I have nothing but brows on right now, so let's hope there's products in here. But before, I guess while I'm opening this, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you ring the notification bell, and all that fun stuff. Now let's open the box. Okay. So, this box, let's see what it's valued at. I'm not gonna lie, looking at the card, I'm low-key disappointed. Calculator. Okay. So this box is valued at $146. This is BoxyCharm glamping. How do I do that? We have variation number 32. The first thing at the top of my box is Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. This makes me nervous because we see how well the last bronzer thing they sent me worked out. Okay, that actually might work. This is shade, I don't know. It just says Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Okay, so we have a bronzer. I'm not putting that back in the box. The bronzer is valued at $24. The Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer is the perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tone lends just the right amount of color for a natural looking tan. We'll find out. We will find out. Next thing I'm pulling out, it looks like an eyeshadow palette. This is the Butter London Teddy Boy palette. Are we gonna like it? Are we gonna not like it? What's the deal here? Oh, it's cute. It just floop. And nothing's broken. Even better. Okay, so that looks promising. I'm actually gonna keep the box. I like to keep palettes that I don't really reach for in the box so I can give it to my mom. The Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette is a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile, cool-toned, neutral hues. Create an array of looks with matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small and easy to carry mirror compacted. I mean, it's cute. Next we have a milk product. This is the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Is it tinted? It is, and it almost looks red. This is the shade Dub. Oh, the palette is valued at $28, by the way. The Kush Fiber Brow Gel, valued at $20. A tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers. Why do you have heart-shaped fibers? And conditioning hemp derived from cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. Now we have a box that's open. That's concerning. This is the Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. It does not appear it has been used. The box itself must have just been opened. This is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. This cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night long without worrying. Dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. I'm excited about that. I'm low on my morphine. And that is valued at $20. Last but not least, we have the GlamGlow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. Moisture Trip is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress. And it is valued at $54. Okay. So we have some products we can use. I'm not using the moisturizer. I'm not even opening it yet. It's gonna sit over there. I guess we'll just get started with the makeup. I will try to keep it simple. So that we can move into the actual makeup. Let's go and I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and we will be right back. Okay, I'm low-key really mad that I didn't record this. Okay. So this is our look. I'll go through exactly what I did. I'm actually kind of happy you didn't see it because I was getting really frustrated and that was gonna be a lot of editing out my words. Okay, it turned my brows red. It turned my brows red. So that's a no. This literally took 6 layers to build to anything. And it looks like I have nothing on. No joke. Like, it looks like I have nothing on. These two. I don't mean to be super harsh. I really don't. And for $25, I'm not complaining. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Aside from the moisturizer, I don't think this box was worth it at all. Not even a little bit. I don't know if it was the eyeshadow or the primer. The shadows didn't want to blend. There's fallout like crazy all in the eyeshadow pans. It's like you can see it doesn't look good. I've never given up halfway through an eyeshadow look. This is 4 colors on my eye and it looks like 2. And not because I made it that way. It's because 2 of them didn't want to show up. I mean, the primer was reminding me of Morphe at first. And like, I would say I want to try this with my Morphe primer. But I don't. Like, I don't. And this isn't the first time I've tried something from Butter London and I'm like, do you just exist for sub boxes? I just, like, I can see my makeup and it looks horrible. Like, it looks bad. It looks really bad. I got nothing. I mean, I'm excited for the moisturizer. The bronzer, okay. The bronzer isn't bad if you're looking for Dixie. If you're looking for something very subtle, very, very subtle. I literally use like 5 layers and you can still barely tell I have any on. It's just, it's not it. I mean, I'm gonna try the primer again with another eyeshadow palette that I know that works, and I will revisit that. I don't think I want anything to do with that eyeshadow palette, and here's why. Here's why. I have a reason. I have a reason. Take a sip of the coffee before I give you the tea. I have so many neutral palettes. We have Sultry. We have Huda Nude. And these are just the ones in front of me. Laura Lee Boss Babe, Jaclyn Hill OG palette. Jawbreaker has some neutrals in it. Blood Sugar has some neutrals in it. The Vault collection from Jaclyn Hill. I mean, I have so many neutral palettes that I'm never gonna reach for this. And I would think as the end of summer, BoxyCharm would do something bright, especially if you're saying it's glamping. You know what I mean? Like, when I think of camping, I think of the heat and the bright flowers and the bright sun. Bright. I don't think of neutrals. For neutrals, I think fall. But maybe that's just me. Maybe that's just me. Anyone that is subscribed to BoxyCharm, please let me know if you like your box down below. I don't think it was a bad box. This box just isn't for me. Hopefully next month's is better. Hopefully. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Wish me luck through the hurricane. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.